Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Halloween is just around the corner and shopping for Halloween at stores or online is always great. But there is something special about making handmade projects. Every time I look at mine, I think about the amount of work went into it. Also, handmade projects made with love and care has a something extra special. And therefore, today I will be making adorable yet spooky Halloween goodie bags. So let's get started.